So welcome back to a brand new episode of Weekend on Wheels, and the DIY session continues at Monkey Autocraft. And today I'm going to talk about how to clean your spark plug. So let's start this DIY straight away after this intro video. I'll see you on the other side. I just love this machine, the way it lifts the bike. I just enjoy this every time I do it. Now let's get straight away started with how to go about cleaning your spark plug. So that's the spark plug joint, or the rubber which covers the spark plug, and just let's open it. Now that's what it is looking like. If you can just see close by, there's a lot of carbon deficit which you need to clean and then put it back into your bike. So let's clean this up first. So take some waste cloth, just make sure you cleanse it well before you put it back. These are the things also to be considered when the rainy season starts. Just before the rainy season starts, taking time during one of these Sundays or Saturdays, whenever you're free, and just take this bit of extra care of your bike, and you've done it now. At the end of the day, you have the satisfaction that you've made sure you've taken care of your bike, you've done everything which is necessary, and your bike is going to run perfectly fine for this rainy season, or if you're going for a long ride, or if it's the day ride that you plan to do. It works for everything. I mean, if you know your bike inside out, I think that's the best thing that can happen to you. So you've done the basic cleaning. Now you can see the entire carbon deficit has been cleaned, and you are ready to go, and that's it. So make sure you tighten it properly. And then all you have to do is the knob goes back into it, and that's it. So that's the end of this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Please send in your comments whatever you think about this video. I have some more DIYs which is already done, and you want to know what are those DIYs, you can see it on these two corners. Check those videos. Please comment if you like those videos. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, push that subscription button. And until the next video, I'll take a leave from you guys. Bye bye for now. See you guys.